install BONOSS wheel spacers. Slide the jack and raise the vehicle slowly, loosen all the lug nuts in a sequence of star pattern. Using rust remover to clean the wheel hub, wipe with the sandpaper so that wheel spacer can fit the hub better. Place the BONOSS wheel spacers on the hub. The matching wheel studs on the wheel spacers are made of forged SCM 440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistance, structure stability, and fuel surface effects. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. The matching lug nuts applied 40 chrome material, which adheres to the ISO standard grade 10. And align the holes in the spacers with the studs. Then use a torque wrench to snug up the lug nuts in a star pattern with the right torque. Tighten the nut of the original car with an appropriate torque. Remove the jack stand. For more information, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.